What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Well, guys, today we're going to be working on Foxy. We're going to be installing a rear seat delete kit, a Scott Rod rear seat delete kit. It's aluminum, and I think it's just going to look good in here. It's going to look fire. It's going to go good with the interior that I got going on inside here in Foxy, the red and black interior, and I think it's just going to look good, look awesome. And also, guys, let me introduce you to my little friend over here. This right here is Pixie, who likes to get in the trash. Hey, get out of that can, Pixie. I'll cut your mouth. Yeah, that's Pixie there. It's a puppy we found on the road. Somebody threw it out, and we picked her up. To keep her. I just hate it when people just throw their dogs out like that. I mean, it's not right. But we got her. She's nice, and as you can see, she's pretty hyper. Well, that's all Pixie there. So let's get to looking at this rear seat delete kit. I'll go let y'all look at it. All right, guys. So here is the rear seat delete kit that we're going to be installing into Foxy. It is aluminum, like I said. It is the Scott Rod, and it comes in 2 pieces, so this should make it very easy to install. And also, you get your rivets, because we're going to have to put rivets inside here, basically part down the middle of it here, the rivets. And probably put some rivets on the side there for the 2 brackets that came with it. Right there. The 2 brackets. I think it was to hold it onto the panel. Something like that. It also comes with instructions here also. So yeah, guys, this is going to look good in here. It's going to look good in the Foxbody. So let's get to the Foxbody and get this in. Alright, guys, so as you can see, guys, my back seats are already out. They've been out for like over a year and a half. So this is gonna be super easy for me. So my back seats are already out and everything, and the bracket there is also out. So I'll remove all of this whenever I took my panels out there to get them painted. So all this has been removed, so all I gotta do, guys, is basically move my 0 gauge wire there out of the way there, kind of move it up there, hide it underneath the carpet up there. Yeah, I got a 0 gauge wire. It goes to my battery that I relocated back there in the back. Get that moved up there, and bring the delete kit in here and kind of line it up and see where I'm gonna have to put the brackets at. And what I was saying about the rivets, guys, that was gonna go good with here is I don't know if y'all can see, but look right there. See, my screws are like silver there. You can see right there, kind of they got like a silver color, and it's gonna go good with the rivets and stuff. What you want, Pixie? What you want? She wants to help me, I guess. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get it in here and get it lined up, and see what we gotta do. All right, guys, so it's in. I'm gonna rivet it down, like right there. I rivet it. Had to put that support, had to drill it onto this panel in here, but I didn't have to do no drill it onto the Foxbody. Just onto this this panel in here. Had to put the supports on here and on the other side. But that's what it looks like, guys. Yeah, it looks really good. Now I might put some more rivets here in the middle. Basically all I did is rivet these 2 pieces together, and it's holding down pretty good, guys. I'm liking it. Let me show you off in the back, guys. This looks like what it looks like from the back, guys. Man, this interior is coming out pretty good, guys. I liking how this interior is coming out. The red and black and stuff. Now I am gonna get some new seats eventually, and I'm gonna get that dash all painted up. A lot of stuff I want to get, guys. And guys, check out my door panel. I'm glad how this came out. Came out pretty good, guys. Pretty good. And I like how that double den there looks inside here. This interior is coming out pretty good, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna get this dash all painted up eventually, and I'm gonna get these seats changed out, or get a new wrap on these seats. And also, I would love to get a Dakota digital gauge for the Foxbody also. But it's coming out pretty good, guys. I'm loving how this interior is. It's looking pretty good. So yeah, guys, that's gonna give y'all a look from the up here. Let me move the seat back here. Y'all look again what it looks like. I'm liking it. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Now my next video, I'm gonna try to do a video on the SA95. There's a part I want to get. Hopefully they'll be in next week, and we're gonna be able to do a video on the SA95. But yeah, guys, this is gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see y'all later.